Hello and welcome to another episode where we're taking Project Type R to another level. Shout out to Autostyling Klerksdorp for making this episode possible, because without them we wouldn't actually have the H&R shocks. As the title has said it, today we're going to be putting lowering springs on the Type R, and in this episode I'm going to be breaking down what the process is, but also what not to do when fitting lowering springs. So if you own an FK8 Type R or any Type R within this range, I think it's the FN2 as well and the FL5, you're going to want to watch this. So one of the biggest challenges is removing the entire system without removing the drive shaft, because once you remove the drive shaft, then you're going to have complications trying to put that back. Now that the spring is in, we can now mount up the rear and get cracking on the front. The second thing you need to worry about are the sensors. So the sensors sit just behind the brake caliper. You've got two sensors, that's the one there, and that's the second one there. Just be looking out for that. Also look out for this. You do not want to break this when removing the entire system. It's a very tiny wishbone. Remove that before you take the system out. So in a normal vehicle, you'd remove a few bolts and just slide the entire suspension mount out. With the Honda, with the way the knuckles are designed, you literally have to move the drive shaft out the way to get access to removing the entire suspension mount. And there you go. So now the whole system is out, and as you can see, this is why it's so difficult to take out. I mean, it's such a sealed system that removing it, you have to remove almost everything just to get the spring out. So now we're going into actually compressing the spring to get compressing the shock to get the spring out, and yeah, we should be good. So just a note with H&R, there is a left and right. So you'll notice, where is it? Yeah, so you can see it says rechts. So obviously that's German for right, and then there is a left which will be links. Shock mounts are now getting installed, and now it's just putting everything back the way it was. Yeah, not an easy job. So we're with Monet. Monet is from DNS Shocks, and Monet, the question I have for you is, why is H&R important? Why is it important to go for a quality brand like H&R?
H&R is highly important due to the research that H&R does on their products. You'll find that a lot of springs offer different drops, so you'll have where they have 40, 60 mil drops, where H&R basically on most cars only have one standard set drop. So it's obviously for the ride comfortability, the handling of the car. They don't want to make the car uncomfortable, so you don't drop the car too low. It's comfortable, it's got a lifetime warranty on it. That's, yeah, great product.
Absolutely, and that's exactly why we're going for H&R as well. So shout out to Autostyling for hooking us up and setting this up as well. We're getting a proper product on the car, and that is just how we do it, man. Like, especially with builds like this, that's why I partnered up with Autostyling, because they know exactly the kind of products that are needed for a build like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We're going to get this car on the ground, and then we're going to do some shots, and then that is it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. My name is Javon Francis, signing out.